Everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. Today I'm just going to be doing some southern coleslaw here. I tested this thing out. I'm hoping the cabbage does the same thing. I've already chopped up some carrots with that little thing. You first peel the first couple layers of this stuff off. You don't want that. It's just it's not good. I gotta feed that the little rabbits out back. Then you take this head, and you see this little, if I can get closer to you, show you what I'm talking about. See that little thing right there? We're gonna cut a little V out right here and get that. That's just hard and no good. That's the stem of the cabbage. So you stick your knife directly in there like that, sort of at an angle. It comes right out. Alright, so now I'm fixing to attempt this right here with the food processor. I'm going to cut this. I cut it in threes and I cut it one more time. I'm going to do a half a head at a time. See if this works. If not, the video, I guess I won't have the video. What I'm doing is I'm pulsing this thing. That's what I did with the carrots. I just pulsed it. Always lights on. Put the little pieces back in that didn't chop up so good. We'll go at it again. So I'm going to measure that now. What I'm going to do though, I screwed up and didn't measure, but I can measure the second head and just double it. That's what it should be. Alright, so we're going to put 3 pieces in, and I'll show you what this cabbage is looking like. You can buy stuff already. This is just way cheaper. Like the carrots, I was going to buy the shredded carrots, but it cost $1 more for the shredded carrots than like 2 pounds of carrots that I could do something with. And that probably would be about 6 ounces worth of carrots in that bag for $1 more. Alright, so going back over to this thing, last 3 pieces, did it again. A piece of cold water. Fixing to do is I know about what I just dropped in there. It's looking like it's going to be about 3 cups of cabbage to 1 cup of carrots. That's what it's looking like. here, but maybe 4. Save that for the rabbits. Okay, so we're going to say 4 cups of cabbage. I already measured the carrots earlier. Let me get my trusty little notebook. Use the back of an envelope. Alright, so we got 1 cup carrot, 4 cups cabbage. Just to show you what this stuff looks like now. It's diced up pretty good. Fixing to mix it around. Alright. Get a little chunk out of there. Alright. So then I'm going to go my spoon, stir it around a little better. So then what I do is I get my salt. I've already got it out. Some teaspoons out of there. I should have been a little bit better prepared for this. So that's a half a measuring spoons, where they at? So we're going to go with 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 'Where's my sugar's over here. Okay, so then I'm going to go next with the sugar. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of sugar in there. Maybe not. Let's see what we got. I'm going to do. One, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So then, instead of putting the mayonnaise in first, you put the vinegar in first, and it helps dissolve these things into these ingredients into the coleslaw a little better. I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of vinegar. I use the apple cider. You can pick and choose what you want. So I'm gonna get my spoon. I'm gonna stir this stuff around. It's just a simple little southern coleslaw. And then I'm going to get Time for the mayo now. Good half cup. We'll see, it may need more. I'm thinking it may need more, but it may not. You can always add more too, but you can't take it out. That's my rule of thumb when eyeballing something. Yeah, I'm gonna put that much more mayonnaise back in it. I'm gonna get a whole cup of mayo. That's my original thought it was, but I didn't want to make it too runny. Okay. There we go. It's looking like it's on point now. Then a cup of mayonnaise. Stir it around real good. Give a little taste test. I need more sugar. I need to put more in it when I put it in. Hopefully it'll 1, 2, 3. I like to do it with with all that stuff before I put the mayo in, but I should have put that 1/4 cup in like I was going to put in, or that 1/2 cup. Give it a try this time. Alright, there we go. That was about right. It's going to be five tablespoons of sugar. Alright, well guys, I'll show you what it looks like. I'll boil a little bit up. This is a quick little simple coleslaw recipe. Nothing fancy about it. Looking like just a good old little southern coleslaw. I really need a camera person. Alright, well, I'll read this back off to you. There's 1 cup of carrots chopped up real fine. 4 cups of cabbage chopped up real fine. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, no, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of mayo. See if y'all can read my chicken scratch. It's on the back of a water bill or something, garbage bill. Alright, well, thank y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. If you like what you're seeing, like, share, and subscribe.